Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadroid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the OnePlus Open is having battery drain issue which is happening for many of the users and how we can fix it. So the first one, when you're having this trouble, what we need to do is we just need to make sure that you're on the latest version of software, and that is what we have to do. Even though it sounds kind of typical to you, but even it worked for many users. So just go over here, and now from here we have to navigate to the software update. You can go for the software update, and you can try just updating the software. It should be on the latest version of software update. So because this is very important, so you have to be in the latest version of software. So if you're having any kind of update, just update the software, and once after the update is done, you have to check yourself whether you're on the latest versions, and if you're having any kind of updates like this, for example, so you can just update it, or if you're on the update to the latest version, you are fine with it, just update it. That is what you have to do as the first step. And if it's not working, we can move to the next one. That is all about we have to do a factory reset. It's not network reset or reset old settings. We're just doing the factory reset. So for this, we just need to go over here. So for the factory reset tab over here in the settings, and we have to navigate to the additional settings. Now from here, we have to tap on the backup and reset. Now from here, go to the reset option. And now from here, we have to do a factory reset. So the factory reset did work for many users, so you can try this out. So it will be like a fresh start for the phone. That is why the factory reset has been recommended in almost all the steps. So you can try this on. And now after trying with this, if you're having still you're having a lot of trouble, you can try disabling the location services. You can go over here in the location. You can completely turn this off, because even for not only for this one, and also even for the iPhones, like I always used to say, the turning off the location services works like a charm in when we are having these kind of trouble. So it is quite important you have to turn off the location services, and afterwards you have to see. Still, if you're having the trouble, the next one is all about we have to disable the background apps. For disabling the background apps, we have to go over here in the settings, tap over here in the settings, and now from here we have to navigate to the apps and notifications. You'll be having apps over here. Now from here we need to make sure there are a lot of apps which is running in the background. So all these things are actually utilizing the performance, and that is why you're having a lot of trouble. So what we need to do is, it is quite important for our side to make sure you just need to go over here, as well as you have to go over here in the battery, and also you have to make sure that it is quite important when your battery is being utilized by a lot of things, you're having these kind of issue. So what we need to do is we just need to make sure you're not going through any kind of these kind of things. And also, as you can see, you have to make sure the optimization, if it is turned on, you can also go for don't optimize it, but even it can work in some cases as well. So if the battery optimization is used up or it is turned on, you can completely turn this off. And also after the turning the battery optimization, you have to see whether the issue is there still if you're having the trouble with the battery. And if you're having the trouble with the battery and you tried with a software update, you tried with a factory reset, and also you tried with everything, then you have to do is the next one. Even if you have a drop in the battery, what we need to do is you just need to book an appointment with the official expert on the OnePlus, and you have to talk to them. They're going to help you guys on the replacement. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.